What's going on, Super Creators? I'm Super Manny, and today I'm here in the historic Houston downtown arts district. Here there's a lot of studios for art, for photo, things like that. It's super cool. There's a lot of graffiti and a lot of art that's painted on the walls. I had a few photo shoots that I was gonna do here today, but they canceled. So I'm just gonna take some B-roll of some of the things that are here, and hopefully we can just enjoy it together and you guys can see what's here and see what I see. So let's go check it out together. Alright, woohoo! I haven't done this in a minute, but I'm gonna I guess I'm gonna show you guys kind of like what I would take pictures of if I was here together with the area and all the B-roll and stuff like that. So I'll just show you guys a few things while I talk. So this is kind of the first area. There's these two yellow tables. I think it would be super cool to get some photographs here, either straight on or even just from the side. And then also we have this full-on walkway. If you notice, you'll be able to really position them in between where these clouds are and use these two buildings to kind of pose them. I think it would look super cool. I think it would look dope. But I didn't get a chance to do it, and I didn't bring my tripod, so this is what we're working with. We also have this cactus area. I think it would be kind of cool. There's a way where you can kind of position people in between here and kind of make it work, but honestly I would probably do it on the other side. So I would use like this rock, get super close, just kind of get a portrait shot there, or even from here, and just angle it so it has all this greenery in the back, the teal windows. I think it would be super dope. So each studio has kind of like a cool little entrance. I think this is super cute, and I would definitely love to do something here. They have the little lights up top. They have these trees. I would get just some portraits right here. Right where the window is, I would place the person, juxtapose them between everything else, all the trees and things. Capture just a nice shot there. Play with the different angles, honestly. Same here. I would just have them by the stairs, point up, get those lights, nice bokeh. It would look so good. There's these stairs here, even though there's like not much to it, but something that I think would look really good is just to get some of the colors of the flowers there. You have that tree in the background. I would have the person stand here on the stairs, kind of looking out that way, and boom, just get some side shots. Something like that. Obviously to be vertical, but you get the idea. There's a small little walkway that has these flowers. Honestly, I would just position the person right in between here. Use that back fence kind of as like a middle part. Place them in between there just to get some color. It'll definitely be like a tight shot. Something like that. So we also have this area here. I mean, obviously these walls are super colorful. Beautiful portrait of a woman in the end. These, it would depend on what the person is wearing. It would actually pose them there, but this type of angle would be best just to give some type of separation. I probably wouldn't shoot it face on unless I'm super far back and I can get like the whole image. But one thing I would definitely play with is on this side. I would either have the person here or even on the far end and have them like the base of the photo and have the colors as like a background, not really in focus, but just there. So if you have an idea, if this was the subject, then that would be the picture. And you would get all this color. You can place them here to get more of the color over there and give them some separation. It works. It's something. And this is what I meant. If I was able to get like a wide angle shot, this would be the shot that I would get, and have them just in the center, like just up against where that railing is, and that would be the way to kind of use it to frame the shot. So there's this other area as well that has other paintings. I'll show you. You probably saw at the beginning of the video or at the end. One way that I would kind of use this is there's this tree here. So I'll probably have them maybe here. I'd have to see how it actually looks with this subject. So there's also this cool rice plant. This little tunnel area here. This would be kind of sketchy to use depending on how I would want to use it. If I did, I'd probably have the model anywhere here by the marble and kind of shoot up, and it would just serve as like a background. Obviously it wouldn't be in focus. And this would definitely be a money shot, but it would be tricky. I mean, there's a pole right here, but if you position it correctly enough and you get the person right where the doorway is, that'd be a beautiful shot. So these benches in this area, it might be kind of cool to play with. I mean, we have like these doors here. So depending on how urban we're going with the shoot, I'd have the model up here, position them in the middle. They could probably lean on top of where the gate is, or just on the table, or even right here, just sitting down looking. I can get them there, or we can get this type of angle with them. So as you see, I'm trying to explain my thought process as much as I can, but it's not that simple without having the actual person there. Depending on how they're posing, their mood, their style, their wares, right? What color the wardrobe is, all those things take into consideration, especially the time of day, lighting, all of those things. So everything I'm saying is really hypothetical. This cool double snake structure that's here. Mr. Platypus. Some cupcakes. This would also be a cool spot. Again, depending on the color. Obviously have them centered there. Can get some nice things out of it. Okay, perfect. So as you guys saw, so this was the tour of the art district in downtown in Houston. As you saw, I tried to give some type of ideas of what you guys can actually do. If you were to do a photo shoot here, I knew somebody was gonna wave at me because they always do that when I'm recording. This, god damn it, this is the downtown arts district. I tried to give some ideas of the type of photos that you guys can take if you're here. So if you're in the Houston area and you do come down here, try some of these ideas out. And I don't know, let me know what you think. I've never done a video specifically like this without having a model to show. So hopefully this helps, and if it did, let me know what other information I can add to make it better. All right guys, I'm Manny. I'll catch you in the next video. Until next time.